Good morning and good afternoon, scholars. It is Miss Miller here with week 6, day 4's lesson. Today's lesson is pretty cool. We're going to be learning about different ways we can use plants. So far this week, we learned all about plant parts and what each plant part does. And I'm just going to quickly review that with you, and then we'll learn some interesting facts about plants and how we use them. So this week, we learned about plant parts. We learned about the flower. Remember, the flower holds the seeds inside. So if you want to plant new seeds, you need to find a flower, take the seeds out from that, or if it's not a flower, a fruit. So if you had a fruit tree, like an apple tree or an orange tree, you would open up the fruit and get the seeds from inside of that. The next plant part is the leaf, which is right here. The leaves. The leaves have that very important job. Remember, they make the food for the plant. Think about my silly sketch that I made. Leaves make food for the plant using sunlight, water, and air. And the next part we have is the stem. The stem, remember, it's long, it's thin, and it takes water up to the rest of the plant. And then the last part is the roots. Here are the roots. They're stringy, they're under the ground, and they keep the plant in place. So those are our plant parts. And there's my silly little sketch to help you remember that plants make the what? They make the food. Awesome. So we're going to go back to the book. We are on page 148. At the top, it says plant power. So we're going to be learning about the powers of plants and what we can use them for. We use plants for food. We also use plants to make things. Here's where it gets really interesting. Mint leaves are used in some toothpastes. Flowers make perfume smell good. Woody stems help make our homes. We even use plants to make some medicines. What other plant uses can you name? So those are just a few examples of different plants and what they're used to make. Can you think of some plants that are used for other things? If you can, talk to a sibling or an adult. Talk to someone at home about another plant that they didn't talk about. And here are some pictures of some plants to give you some ideas. And then the next little part, it says do the math, solve a problem. Look at the tomatoes. Use them to help you solve this problem. The problem says a farmer has 24 tomatoes. He picks 11 tomatoes. How many are left? Wow, that's a lot of tomatoes. He has 24 tomatoes. So altogether, we have 24. He picks 11. How many are left? Now, it sets the problem up for you, but I would always ask, if he picks the tomatoes, are you going to add or subtract? You are going to subtract. Very good. You're going to subtract, so that means you're going to take away. So with a pencil, or if you have a crayon or something, whatever you're writing with, you're going to cross out 11 tomatoes. So I'm going to do that part with you. Okay, let me make sure I counted that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Awesome. So I crossed out 11 tomatoes. Now you're going to count and see how many are left. Okay, if you counted correctly, you should have gotten 13. So if the farmer had 24, we started with 24, and we took away how many? He picked 11. And when you count the rest, he has 13 left. Awesome job. My 3 is a little big because I was drawing with marker, writing with a marker, but that is our short lesson for today. It was just a quick little pause from plant parts and just talking about plants, what they're used for, and a little math review too. So I will talk to you all tomorrow. You'll have a new video. And the new video is going to be a quick little checking to see how much you've learned. So make sure for tomorrow's video, make sure you get your phone ready or your parents' phone. I want you to take a picture of your work tomorrow because you're going to send it to me and I cannot wait to see it. So that's just a quick little reminder. Make sure that you start turning in some of your assignments on Class Dojo. It's the portfolio section, and if you have any questions, parents, about the portfolio section, please ask me. I'm here to help you. I really am here to help you. Please, if you have any questions, just message me and I'll get right back to you. I will talk to you guys and see you guys tomorrow. Bye!